Good afternoon and welcome to the Idahoan Show. For some upcoming experiments with custom shotgun slugs, I'm going to need a way to roll crimp 12-gauge shot shells. Now, there are plenty of commercial roll crimping devices available on the market, but they all seemed a little on the pricey side, so before I shell out the money to buy a commercial roll crimping tool, I figured I would try making my own. I started by grinding a custom boring bar out of a piece of type D2 drill rod. This will be for cutting the concave channel in the roll crimping die that will actually form the roll. Now, I didn't really have any dimensions to go on for this, so I just kind of ground it to a shape that intuitively looked right. Next, I chucked up a scrap of 1-inch diameter bar stock in my lathe. I drilled a shallow pilot hole using a 3/4 inch drill bit, and then bored it out to a diameter of 0.812 inches using my custom boring bar. I ran the boring bar a little deeper than the end of the hole to produce that annular concave groove that actually accomplishes the roll crimping. Then I inverted the bar stock in my lathe and turned the shank diameter down to about 3/8 of an inch. At this point, my do-it-yourself roll crimping die should be complete, so I chucked it up in my drill press and tried it out on an empty 12-gauge shell. It seemed to work pretty well, so I guess I won't have to buy one. Anyway, thank you for watching the Idahoan Show.